Award winners. For the very first time, a French military contingent at our Republic Day celebrations, being led by the French military band. The band belongs to the Music of Infantry of the French Army, consisting of 48 musicians, being led by Major Jean-Claude Le Berrier, and playing the tune Sambre Muse, followed by Sincere. Proud moment for the French president. And right behind them we have the military color party. In French, the 6 soldiers in 2 rows of 3 are called the Garde de Drapeau, or military color party. The crowd very excited. The French soldier carrying the French regiment flag is surrounded by a guard of honor to symbolically protect the flag from enemies. In fact, the soldier who's holding the flag is one of the most talented soldiers of the regiment. And now going past the saluting base, the French marching contingent. Marching smartly, the contingent of the 35th Infantry Regiment, being led by Lieutenant Colonel Paul Bury, consisting of 75 soldiers. They've also had the distinction of serving in India from 1781 to 1784. The French delegation here.
61st Cavalry led by Captain Anand Rajpurohit. Of all the sides of a battlefield, there is none more eye-catching than that of a cavalry unit in the full glory of its charge, with pennants flying, lances and sabers drawn, the hoofs of horses riding to an opposite
Smartly going down Rajpath, French marching contingent. And you can hear in the background the striking up of the army bands of the Indian Army, and the army mounted columns are now coming here. Going past the saluting base, the 61st Cavalry, led by Captain Anand Rajpurohit. The erstwhile Gwalior Lancers.
meaning horsepower forever free. The flutter of pennants, the snorting of horses, the jingling of chains, the elect posture of the cavalry, looking truly magnificent, brilliant, and mesmerizing.
और अब जो गर्जना